Hello, this is Jennifer. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will talk about mobile marketing. Mobile marketing is a crucial aspect of modern marketing strategies, given the widespread use of mobile devices like smartphones and tablets. This guide will provide you with a comprehensive overview of mobile marketing, including strategies, tactics, and best practices for reaching your audience effectively on mobile devices. Introduction to mobile marketing. Mobile marketing refers to the practice of reaching and engaging with your target audience through mobile devices such as smartphones, tablets, and wearable devices. As mobile usage continues to rise globally, mobile marketing has become a fundamental aspect of any comprehensive marketing strategy. This introduction will provide you with a solid understanding of the mobile marketing landscape and its significance in today's digital world. Understanding the mobile landscape. Proliferation of mobile devices. Mobile devices have become an integral part of people's lives. They are used for communication, information consumption, entertainment, shopping, and more. Mobile internet usage. A significant portion of internet traffic now comes from mobile devices. Users access websites, social media platforms, and online services on their phones and tablets. Mobile apps. Mobile apps are dedicated software applications designed for specific purposes. They offer a more streamlined and user-friendly experience compared to browsing websites on mobile browsers. Messaging platforms. Messaging apps are widely popular for communication. They also provide opportunities for businesses to interact with customers through chats, chatbots, and multimedia messages. Location services. Mobile devices can provide real-time location information, enabling businesses to offer location-based services, promotions, and recommendations. Importance of mobile marketing. Widespread accessibility. Mobile devices are almost always within arm's reach, allowing you to connect with your audience anytime and anywhere. Enhanced customer engagement. Mobile marketing enables personalized and interactive communication, fostering stronger relationships with customers. High conversion rates. Well-executed mobile marketing campaigns can lead to higher conversion rates, as users are often ready to take action on their mobile devices. Competitive edge. Embracing mobile marketing gives you a technology constantly evolves, offering opportunities for innovative and creative marketing strategies, such as augmented reality campaigns or mobile-exclusive promotions. In the rapidly evolving digital landscape, mobile marketing is not just an option, it's a necessity for businesses looking to connect with their audience effectively. As you delve deeper into the world of mobile marketing, you'll explore strategies and tactics that cater to the unique characteristics and behaviors of mobile users, ultimately driving engagement, conversions, and business success. Now move on to the next section, that is mobile marketing strategies. Mobile marketing strategies involve a range of approaches and tactics aimed at effectively engaging your target audience on mobile devices. To create a successful mobile marketing strategy, consider the following key strategies. Responsive web design. Ensure your website is mobile responsive, meaning it adapts seamlessly to different screen sizes. This ensures a positive user experience, easy navigation, and readability on smartphones and tablets. Mobile apps. Develop a mobile app if it aligns with your business goals. Apps provide a dedicated platform for customer engagement, loyalty programs, personalized experiences, and push notifications. SMS marketing. Send relevant and timely text messages to subscribers who have opted in. Use SMS for promotions, alerts, reminders, and time-sensitive offers. Keep messages concise and valuable. Mobile advertising. Utilize mobile ads through platforms like Google Ads or social media to reach your audience where they spend the most time. Use formats like banner ads, interstitials, and video ads optimized for mobile screens. Location-based marketing. Leverage location data to deliver targeted offers, promotions, or content based on a user's geographic location. Geo-targeting and geofencing are powerful tools for engaging users when they are physically near your business. QR codes and NFC. Incorporate QR codes or near-field communication NFC to provide quick access to content, promotions, or information. Users can scan QR codes or tap NFC-enabled devices for seamless interactions. Social media engagement. Create mobile-friendly content for your social media platforms. Use mobile-first ad formats, engage with users through comments and direct messages, and optimize your profiles for mobile viewing. Mobile-optimized content. Develop content that's easily consumable on mobile devices. This includes concise text, compelling images, and videos that load quickly and are easily shareable. Personalization and segmentation. Tailor your mobile marketing messages to individual user preferences and behaviors. Use data to segment your audience and send targeted messages that resonate with their interests. Push notifications and in-app messages. Utilize push notifications and in-app messages to keep users engaged with your app and informed about new updates, offers, or content. Mobile search optimization, mobile SEO. Optimize your website and content for mobile search. Focus on mobile-specific keywords, fast loading times, and a user-friendly interface to improve your mobile search rankings. Mobile payment solutions. If applicable, provide mobile payment options to streamline the purchasing process for mobile users. This can include mobile wallets, QR code payments, or other contactless payment methods. User experience (UX). Optimization. Prioritize a smooth and intuitive user experience across all touchpoints. Mobile users are often looking for quick solutions, so make it easy for them to navigate and find what they need. Data and analytics. Use mobile analytics tools to track user behavior, engagement, and conversions. Analyze the data to refine your mobile marketing strategies over time. Remember, the effectiveness of your mobile marketing strategies will depend on understanding your target audience, their behaviors and preferences. Continuously test and optimize your approaches to ensure you're providing value and delivering a seamless experience to your mobile users. Let's talk about the most important topic, that is optimizing for mobile devices. Optimizing for mobile devices is crucial to ensure seamless and engaging experience for users who access your content, website, or app on smartphones and tablets. Here are key areas to focus on when optimizing for mobile devices. Responsive web design. Implement a responsive design that adapts your website's layout, content, and images to various screen sizes. This ensures your site looks and functions well on different devices. Mobile-friendly website design. Create a mobile-friendly user interface that prioritizes simplicity and ease of navigation. Use larger fonts, concise text, and well-spaced buttons to enhance readability and interaction. Page load speed. Optimize your website's loading speed for mobile users. Compress images, minify code, and use Content Delivery Network (CDN) to reduce load times, as slow loading pages can lead to user frustration. User experience (UX). Prioritize a smooth and intuitive user experience. Ensure that visitors can easily find information, access important features, and complete desired actions without encountering obstacles. Mobile search optimization, mobile SEO. Optimize your website for mobile search by using mobile-specific keywords, structured data, and ensuring that your site is crawlable and indexable by search engines on mobile devices. Mobile optimized content. Create content that is concise, scannable, and visually appealing on mobile screens. Break up text with headings, bullet points, and images to improve readability. Thumb-friendly design. Position important interactive elements such as buttons and links within easy reach of a user's thumb. This enhances user convenience and reduces the need for uncomfortable stretching. Avoid intrusive interstitials. Avoid using pop-ups or interstitials that cover the main content on mobile devices, as these can negatively impact user experience and SEO. Optimize images and videos. Use properly sized and compressed images and videos to ensure fast loading times. Implement lazy loading to load images and videos only when they are in the user's view. Mobile-first indexing. Google and other search engines now prioritize the mobile version of your website for indexing. Ensure that your mobile site is fully functional and provides the same valuable content as your desktop version. Touch-friendly elements. Design buttons and interactive elements to be touch-friendly by ensuring they are large enough and well-spaced to accommodate tapping. Testing and user feedback. Regularly test your website and solicit user feedback to identify areas for improvement. Conduct usability testing on various mobile devices and screen sizes to uncover potential issues. Cross-browser compatibility. Ensure your website displays and functions correctly across different mobile browsers and operating systems to provide a consistent experience. Mobile-optimized forms. If your website includes forms, optimize them for mobile use by minimizing the number of fields and using input types that are conducive to mobile typing. Optimizing for mobile devices is an ongoing process that requires continuous monitoring and adjustments. Regularly review your website analytics, and gather user feedback to refine your mobile optimization strategy and provide the best possible experience to your mobile audience. Let's move on to the next section, that is creating engaging mobile content. Creating engaging mobile content is essential to capture the attention of your mobile audience and drive meaningful interactions. Mobile devices offer a unique platform for delivering content, and optimizing your approach can lead to higher user engagement and better results. Here are some strategies for creating engaging mobile content. Keep it concise and scannable. Mobile users have limited attention spans. Present your content in bite-sized chunks with clear headings, bullet points, and short paragraphs for easy scanning. Use compelling headlines. Craft attention-grabbing headlines that convey the value of your content and pique curiosity. A strong headline can entice users to read further. Visual content is key. Incorporate images, infographics, and videos to break up text and make your content more visually appealing. Visual elements can convey information quickly and effectively. Video content. Create short, engaging videos optimized for mobile consumption. Videos can be used for product demonstrations, tutorials, behind-the-scenes glimpses, and storytelling. Interactive elements. Incorporate interactive elements such as polls, quizzes, surveys, and contests to encourage active participation and keep users engaged. Personalization. Tailor your content to individual user preferences and behaviors. Use data to deliver personalized recommendations, product suggestions, or content based on user interests. Use short and snappy messaging. Write concise and impactful copy that gets to the point quickly. Mobile users appreciate content that is straightforward and easy to understand. Mobile optimized landing pages. If you're directing users to a landing page, ensure it's mobile-friendly and relevant to the content they clicked on. A seamless transition from content to landing page enhances the user experience. Engaging storytelling. Tell compelling stories that resonate with your audience. Stories evoke emotions and create connections, making your content more memorable. Leverage micro moments. Anticipate and provide content that fulfills users' immediate needs or queries. This could be information, solutions, or entertainment in quick, digestible formats. Utilize push notifications. If you have a mobile app, use push notifications to alert users about new content, promotions, or updates. Ensure notifications are relevant and valuable to the user. Optimize for social sharing. Make it easy for users to share your content on social media platforms. Include social sharing buttons and encourage users to share their thoughts or experiences. Consistent branding. Maintain consistent branding across all mobile content. This helps users recognize your brand and builds trust over time. Mobile-friendly formats. Ensure your content formats, such as PDF or forms, are mobile-friendly and easily accessible on smaller screens. Fast loading times. Optimize your content to load quickly on mobile devices. Slow loading content can lead to user frustration and higher bounce rates. Remember that mobile users are often on the go and seeking quick solutions or entertainment. By tailoring your content to their preferences and behaviors, you can create a more engaging mobile experience that resonates with your audience and encourages them to take action. Now let's start the next section, that is building a mobile app. Building a mobile app can be a powerful way to engage your audience, offer personalized experiences, and drive customer loyalty. However, it's important to plan and execute the app development process effectively. Here's a step-by-step guide to building a successful mobile app. Define your app idea. Clearly outline the purpose, goals, and features of your app. Identify the problem it solves, the target audience, and how it adds value to users' lives. Market research. Research your competitors and similar apps to understand the market landscape. Identify gaps, opportunities, and unique selling points that your app can offer. Choose the platform. Decide whether you want to develop your app for iOS, Android, or both platforms. Consider factors like your target audience, budget, and resources. Wireframing and necessary integrations with third-party services. Testing. Conduct thorough testing to identify and fix bugs, usability issues, and performance glitches. Test the app on various devices and screen sizes to ensure compatibility. User experience UX testing. Gather feedback from potential users through beta testing or focus groups. Incorporate their suggestions to enhance the app's usability and functionality. App Store optimization ASO. Optimize your app's listing on app stores with relevant keywords, an appealing description, compelling visuals, and positive reviews. Launch and marketing. Launch your app on the app stores and promote it through various channels, such as social media, email marketing, and influencer collaborations. User onboarding and support. Provide a seamless onboarding experience for new users. Offer in-app tutorials, tooltips, or walkthroughs to help users understand how to use the app effectively. Continuous improvement. Monitor user feedback.